let's talk about the complexity of app advertising. Each year, there are over 2 billion food and drink app downloads, a huge, hungry audience. So, how do advertisers cut through the clutter to engage and influence the audiences that matter? The app stores are a sea of miscategorized titles, so reaching target users is not simple. The broad catch-all food and drink label blankets everything from calorie trackers to recipe puzzle games, bearing the genuine cooking and grocery apps your household shoppers actually use. At Gourmet Ads, building on the technology in our proprietary contextual engine, we combine AI-driven analysis with human curation to navigate and index Google Play and Apple App Store, as well as the many other app stores across all devices. We verify every food, grocery, and shopping app by real consumer intent, classifying them with our own food-centric taxonomy, and filtering out the imposters. We call this our living Food App Catalogue. Available for programmatic activation via Deal IDs or through managed campaigns, our food app targeting is a game-changing solution for brands seeking consistent, always-on engagement. We can also blend our food app catalog with our web browser-based supply, giving advertisers a hybrid approach resulting in both scale and pinpoint accuracy. Beyond the food category, we also offer additional catalogs like health, lifestyle, fitness, home, travel, garden, and many more. This allows you to reach your target audience no matter the app they use. Our solution works because it places your message inside the apps that household cooks, grocery buyers, and coupon hunters actually use. Once you're in front of them, choose the creative that engages best, from quick-loading display ads to immersive video. Ready to get started? Let's explore together how Gourmet Ads' Food App Catalog can deliver always-on engagement across both apps and the websites your audience actually use and trust every day.